Hey everybody, it is I, the broke beauty guru, the ring queen Lexa Rose, with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. And today's episode is going to be a fun special one because I'm going to be trying out for the first time the Coco and Eve hair mask. So let me just give you guys a bit of a, this is the box obviously, but this is the package that it comes in. It's really pretty. Very simple but cute, and it says bonus tangle tamer brush. This is like I've seen this go viral all over the internet, all over social media, and I wanted to try it out only because I have severely damaged curly kinky hair. So I figured not only am I going to try this product out, but I've managed to con Trigger into doing this with me. So I'm going to do some on myself, and I'm going to do it on my hair, obviously. And then we're going to try it on Trigger's hair and see how his hair improves using the Coco and Eve hair mask. Now, according to the directions, they were fairly simple. There was not really much that you needed to know about or do except wash your hair. So I washed my hair. I took a shower. So I'm literally fresh out the shower. And what they tell you to do is like literally soak the product in your hair. That's the whole point of this, because you can comb it in. And you'll wait 10 minutes and then you'll rinse it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that, but I'm also going to do a face mask with it. So I'm going to use my Tatcha face mask that I got in my BoxyLux box back in my BoxyCharm box back in February. I used it the first time. It was really good on my skin. So, of course, blank canvas on my face. We're going to just start with the conditioner, hair mask, whatever. And we're just going to go in, like, little pieces. As you can tell, like, hasn't really been opened. This is the first time. So, it smells really good. Let's get started. Now, it says to make sure that your hair is damp when you do this, because obviously, you know, after you take a shower, but you really want to, like, soak this stuff up from, like, root to tip. So, as you can tell, I'm, like, going right into the roots. Like, I went hard body because I wanted to make sure that this product really works the way they, like, say it on, like, Instagram and stuff like that. Like, I've seen, like, so many videos, and they, like, kind of OD. So I'm not trying to do all that. I'm just trying to put in enough so that it, like, literally gives me a nice coat in my hair. So. Okay, now that I think I got a good amount in my hair, I want to start combing it all together so that the product mixes evenly. So we're going to take this little detangling brush that it comes with and just literally run it through the hair. And okay, I should have ran a brush through my hair before I put this conditioner in, just to show you how thick and curly and knotty, like, I don't know if you could tell from here, like, how thick and knotty it is, but this is the piece that I just ran the comb through, and it's like, and it's not even like pulling on my hair. I'm pulling my own hair. It's literally detangling it. I really don't need to do much to it. Just let the brush pretty much work its magic, because it really, the bristles feel kind of flimsy, but it's really going ham on my hair. Like, hold on, let me show you. Like, this piece is kind of tangled. Let's show you, like, how it's going right through the knots. Like, no joke. Okay, I'm scared. Is this stuff gonna make my hair fall out? You know, let me find out this is some fucking this is some relaxer. Fuck! I'll be screwed. Well, very overpriced, if you ask me. But I mean, so far so good. I mean, y'all beat that? Like, shit. Alright, so I got the product thoroughly in my hair right now. It says to leave it on for 10 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. But at the same time, I'm leaving it up there for 10 minutes. I'm just going to grab a clip and clip this all up. Right? Next, what I'll do is I'll put on the Tatcha face mask. So, I'll be back. Okay, now the Tatcha face mask. And we're going to leave it on the same time as the hair mask. So we can just all get it done with. This stuff is very, very juicy, as you can tell. So, let's be quick. Sorry, I should have brought it in so you could see that I was trying to put it on in the mirror and stuff. Okay, so we've got the skin mask on, we've got the hair mask on, so we're going to wait a total of 10 minutes, and then we'll take everything off and see how everything feels afterwards. So I have the treatment in my hair, and I'm wearing the hair mask, and Trigger is sitting right there. Unbeknownst to him, he's going to be the next victim to try this hair mask, because he said he'd let me do it. Love you. He's super tight, but he's gonna freaking change his mind as soon as he feels how nice his hair is afterwards, so. I'm trying to see Princess's reaction. Princess, what do you think of Mommy's face mask? She don't want to be bothered. Don't close your eyes at me. Look at me. She's so rude. Trigger sitting here looking like an evil villain stroking Princess. You give me that dirty look all you want. I'm doing your hair next. And you're gonna like it. Okay, so 10 minutes are up. I'm going to take this mask off and take this hair mask off. And we will see how my hair looks after it kind of dries up. I'm gonna let it dry up naturally. And then next is Trigger. Okay, so now that the 10 minutes are done, we're going to get rid of this stuff off my hair. And let's just peel this off. Feels really good. Now what we're going to do is, I'm going to just use cold water. And then we're just going to pop this off real quick. And then we're just going to rinse all this off, but I'm going to use like kind of tepid water, not cold water. Okay, so now our hair is washed. It does feel significantly softer, but we're just going to kind of like throw it up in this towel for a little bit to kind of towel dry, and then we'll see what happens when it gets a little drier later on, or maybe we'll do the 24 afters and give my final thoughts on how everything kind of worked on my hair, because we still have to do Trigger next. So stay tuned for that one. So my hair is a little dry after, air dried. But, it feels soft, but didn't do anything for my curls. Maybe I didn't do it the right way. I don't know. I'm not really happy with it. My hair is just like straight fluffy. It feels soft, but I don't know. Could be the lighting. Who knows? Hey guys, here is part 2 of our Coco and Eve review. As you can tell, I'm wearing my Hounds of Justice because the Shield just made a reunion. They're coming back for Fastlane, which we are watching tonight. As you can tell, Trigger has just washed his hair, and now we're about to put the Coco and Eve product in. So let's get to the bathroom and show you guys the process. Okay, so Trigger's hair is washed, and here's our Coco and Eve product. He already combed his hair because he's Trigger and he does that, but we're gonna take this stuff and we're gonna put it all over his hair. Okay, so now that we've got all of this product in his hair, we're gonna take the detangling comb and get to work. Okay, now as you can tell, we've got all the product thoroughly from root to tip on his hair. So we're gonna wait 15 minutes and then he's gonna rinse it out with warm, tepid, coolish water, and then we'll do 24 afters on Trigger to see how his hair feels afterwards. He's so uncooperative. Anyways, we'll be back for the washing. Okay, so the timer went off, which means it's now time for Trigger to wash the Coco and Eve off of his hair. Let's go back to the bathroom. Okay, so now we're back in the bathroom, and Trigger is going to wash his hair, or wash the hair mask off, and then we'll find out tomorrow what he thinks of the Coco and Eve product. See my curls? The result of the same stuff. Let's get going. So now Trigger is drying his hair a little bit, not too much, just so that his hair is not dripping all over the place. And then we'll find out tomorrow how his hair feels. Love you. As you can tell, I'm thoroughly mad because look at how pretty his hair looks, right? Compared to mine, even though my hair is, you know, soft and stuff, but still, like, he's got perfect little ringlets. Look at this. Look at all this. I don't even have that. Like, look at what I've got, you know. But it still makes my hair soft, so whatever.
Frustration, it's humiliation. Nia and Tamina I thought they had this match all but won.
This is not what we worked for in the women's division.
Well, nonetheless, Sasha and Bayley still the tag team champions, but a frustrating. Oh!
Love you. Why are you purposely not smiling? Okay, so it's the next day and Trigger is brushing out his hair. And there's a dramatic difference. Usually in the morning, he's like literally pulling knots out of his hair. And as you can tell by the sound, see, it would be 10 times worse than that. Like, he would literally be yanking out like clumps of hair. But as you can see, there's a freaking difference with the way the brush is going through his hair. As you can tell. And his hair is like a lot softer. And it's a lot shinier. It's fluffier, but you know, we're Spanish people. That happens. Yo, son! You see these? Look at this. Excuse you? Who said you could have prettier hair than me? Look at this. Look at this. That's that Coco and Eve joint. What? Hello. Wait, that's not fair. Look at this. Like, it's so pretty. Look, whoa! You see this pretty little one right here? Look. Babe. That's not fair. Why you gotta have prettier hair than me? Okay, so as you can tell, I tried the treatment for twice, and look at this shine. Look at how my hair, how soft my hair is. Um, as you can tell, Trigger is back there with his gorgeous ass ponytail. Look at this, looking all gorgeous and sexy. Basically, the stuff works. It is worth the hype. It's worth the price. And I was really happy with how my hair literally transformed. It's a little wonky right now because I straightened it yesterday. And, you know, when you sleep with it and you don't properly wrap it, whatever's. But thank you guys at Coco and Eve. You guys made a phenomenally great product. And I will be making another future purchase. And shout out to my fiance who participated in it with me, even though he's a part of the CIA, so I'm technically not supposed to show him, but hey. Sorry, I think the FBI tried to cut me short, but, yeah, nobody cares that he's in the CIA. I mean, he's Trigger. It's kind of his job, so, yeah. But, oh my god, can you see my, my makeup is looking stunning today. I'm sorry. I've been like, I just purchased some new stuff from beautylish.com. And as you can tell, don't mind this part of my hair. It's just when I, like, do my makeup, I have, like, a headband here. So it literally blocks me from actually continuing my contour, which is fine because usually my hair covers it up. But, yeah. Very happy with Coco and Eve. Thank you guys so much. I'm feeling my makeup from Beautylish that I picked up. Really try them out. They are definitely worth it when you're on a budget. I am the Ring Queen Lexa Rose. I will see you on my next video. Keep it Gucci Poochie, bitches.